It's so heavy.
Should I? Ooh, it's a nice one. Ooh. Oh, you got that. That's when I say the peel because I have to wait first. Thank you. I'm going in our garden already. I don't peel it all the way, just that much.
Yo, you just cut.
So we can adobo this. So we can adobo this. Yeah, it's sure. Not all the way, just okay. Good job. Alright, this one's
It's so cool.
You have to be very careful when you're using knife, okay? You have to respect the knife. There. Awesome. Alright, that's it. Thanks for helping, Mama. Yeah, no.
Yo, that's so big.
Yeah, it is. Mga unta, adobong kalabasa. Thank you so much. Free kalabasa. Thank you.